Hi, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are making tree mix, nut bar or granola bar. I'll list all the ingredients in the description box below for easy access as always. Let's get started making our healthy snack. In a bowl I'm going to be adding some cashew nut, almond nut, pumpkin seed, coconut flakes, sesame seed for extra protein, cranberry, and salt to taste. You can choose any nut or any seed of your choice. These are just my preference. After adding everything to the bowl, we'll move on to adding our syrup. We are not going to add any sugar to this recipe. In place of sugar, I will be using maple syrup. You can also use honey if you would like to. In another bowl, I'm going to add some maple syrup and also add a little bit of vanilla extract for that extra flavor. Give it a quick stir and I'm going to be pouring all this onto the nuts and seed. And after that, use a spatula or a wooden ladle to mix everything together nicely for all the nuts and seed to be well coated with the syrup. And I have already lined my baking pan with some parchment paper and I'll be transferring the mixture onto the parchment paper and using my spoon to press it down firmly for it to be leveled. And also the syrup is going to help as a glue or binding agent to hold everything together nicely before we bake. And I will be baking this at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Please adjust your oven. Every oven is different. So please adjust your oven to your preferred heat so you don't get it burnt. So pressing it down nicely with a spoon, making sure it's well flattened, and we are going to bake this. And after baking, this is how it looks. You just want it to be golden brown, and that is how it should be looking. And cutting it with a knife, you may get some nuts breaking, and that is totally good. And just cut them into bars for easy snacking. These are great. They are nutritious. They are healthy. For snack at any time, you can add them to your lunch. You can also do a version of granola. You can use oatmeal, oats, any type, especially old-fashioned, and add all your nuts or your seed or your dry fruit, and you can have them as granola to add onto your cereal, to add onto your milk or your yogurt. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.